Well, I'll tell you what, Roop, a lot of things happened today. We got a little bit of an idea of the strategy of the defense because they were the ones that got to cross-examine the lead FBI agent that kind of put this whole show together, so to speak. Now, the strategy really is to minimize the defendant's ability, so to speak, to plot to kidnap the governor. They didn't even know where the governor lived, and they certainly were not the ringleaders. Well, in court today, some of the language got a little salty, shall we say? Take a look.
That's the thing, though. That's the thing. That's the thing.
Day 2 of the preliminary exam got a little salty.
Were they arrested immediately after this FTX, either Bill or Mike Knoll?
No.
The FBI agent being questioned about an August 2020 two-day field training exercise in Luther, Michigan.
I don't think by just being present they did anything illegal.
And now on cross-examination, you're telling us you really don't know the route, correct?
I don't know the specific route. That's correct.
On any wire chats in this case, was Mr. Higgins on?
Not to my knowledge.
All right. So on our August 26, 2020, Mr. Higgins wasn't there.
That's correct.
And why is this hearing in Antrim County?
And Luther, Michigan is not in Antrim County, correct?
To my knowledge, it's not.
But the defense didn't score all the points.
What specific details do you have personally about Bill Knoll?
So I know he agreed that terrorizing people and burning people and shooting cops was a good idea.
There's a helicopter overhead there. All right. Anyway, we're back here in Traverse City. This is the Antrim County District Court. And let me just go a little word about that. Why is this here? Some of the defense attorneys, they seem to hint that maybe not all of the criminal activity occurred here in Antrim County. We just heard about a meeting in Luther, Michigan. That's in Lake County, south of here. And earlier we heard testimony that there were some meetings in Wisconsin and Ohio, obviously not Antrim County. So expect a little interesting, you know, a couple of little interesting motions, shall we say, when this case continues tomorrow right here in Antrim County. But it's held in Traverse City, which also isn't Antrim County anyway. Anyway, I'll send it back to you guys.
Yeah, Charlie, looking at the defense's case here, basically saying they didn't really have the means to carry some of this stuff out. They were just talking and planning potentially dangerous acts. Is that enough for the prosecution in this case, you think?
That's a good question. I don't know. And that's what the judge is going to determine. Listen, this is a preliminary examination. So the standard of proof to see if there's enough evidence for trial is low. This is not a trial. And these people were clearly not the ringleaders. There's no doubt about it. Listen, did they talk a lot? Yeah, they did. Did they get them on tape, audio? Yes. And more is coming out. Again, this is only the first witness for the prosecution. There is at least one more, and we have three more attorneys that get to cross-examine the first witness. So this is going to take a while. But is there enough evidence for a trial? Probably yes, most yes. But having the trial, totally different animal. We will see.